Don't forget. Don't forget, well, let's see the scores. Judges 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 9. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, let's see who's going for the duet. Okay, it's you two.
I've never really had a religious experience in a religious place. Closest I've ever come to feeling or hearing God is by listening to rap music. So, I guess rap music is my religion.
Amen. I guess that is true religion. The music of today seems confusing, amusing to young generations not dreaming of producing. How can they produce if they listen to our music? Video shoots, advertising, abusing of alcohol, drugs, weed or rapper smoking, Snoop Dogg stuff. You driving since crazy, encouraging the wrong, that is a bad education. Violence done up in illegal communication.
I pray that what I may say might save a life. What I may speak might save a street. I ain't got no instruments, but I got my hands and feet. Hands gon' clap, feet gon' tap. LP best just to make that snap. And I write them all with my raps.
Rap music now seems confusing, amusing to young generations not dreaming of producing. How can they produce if they listen to our music? Video shoots, advertising, abusing of alcohol, drugs, weed of rappers smoking, Snoop Dogg stop. You driving things crazy, encouraging the wrong, that is a bad education. Violence gone up illegal communication. Rap music now seems confusing, amusing to young generations not dreaming of producing. How can they produce if they listen to our music? Video shoots, advertising, abusing.
I got things to do before I meet the glow in the sky. I pray to the Lord that He spares me and I make it by. To keep souls out of hell without I testify. When I grab the mic and preach, understand it ain't no lie. Is that Robert Johnson?
Muddy Waters.
That James Brown.
Augusta G.A.
That Ray Charles.
Stevie Wonder.
That Tupac.
Notorious B.I.G.
It's that blues and soul, man. I feel it in my bones. That Miles Davis. That Miles Davis too. That Destiny's Child and that Peach which was sent by the Playboys too.
I don't know who's that, but I like them too. Like Tupac Shakur, he spoke about the hood of related conflicts like the ones we understood. And he made his words clear, advice very good, he didn't always use like rappers now would and could. So listen to the music, listen to the tunes. If it relates to how you feel, share with the hood. If skies are the limit, your song will hit the moon. Now make those rappers look bad like Bam Bam Kaboom.
CC,
just take,
CC,
just take me gone.
Yeah!